Hi, I'm Brian Boer with Boer Insurance Group. Thanks for joining me to talk about PLPD insurance. Most people think PLPD is bare bones or the minimum coverage available. PLPD isn't that at all. PLPD strictly means that you don't carry coverage for damage to your vehicle. Therefore, if you're in an accident, or your car has hail damage, or a tree falls on it, you don't have any coverage to pay to replace your vehicle. However, PLPD can be more than adequate for many vehicles on the road. Let's take a look at an auto policy and discuss what PLPD is and what full coverage is. These are the liability coverages on an auto policy. These coverages are technically PLPD, the liability portion of the coverage on the policy. These coverages down here are the physical damage piece of the coverage on the car. Therefore, you have PLPD plus physical damage equals full coverage. There are many different types of PLPD because PLPD just means that you don't carry coverage for your vehicle and carry liability only. However, these liability limits can differ from policy to policy. Therefore, just PLPD isn't the same thing all the time. Same goes for physical damage coverage. These deductibles and the way these coverages are treated could be very different from one policy to another. Also, PLPD doesn't mean that you don't have good insurance. PLPD could be more than sufficient for a 2001 Civic or a 1998 Ford. It just means that your vehicle isn't worth having physical damage coverage for. Also, just because someone has full coverage, it doesn't mean that they have good insurance. Having physical damage on a car, but having very low liability limits, is not a good insurance policy. Therefore, don't let PLPD make you think that it's bare bones insurance, and don't think that full coverage means that you've got a great insurance policy, because there's a lot more that goes into it than that. If you'd like me to take a look, I'd be happy to give you my thoughts and discuss your policy in more detail. Thanks.